This is the acidic strength of the alcohol. Not only alcohol, the other functional groups you can see here. Got it? Yeah, Ibrahim.
Yes.
So let's go through some more details of acidic strength. Okay. So HCl is very strong acid compound, and so you measure the pK value. Okay. Stronger acid will have lower pK. Weaker acid will have higher pK. It is just like the pH value. If H plus ion is more, pH is smaller. pK is also smaller. Got it? Is it clear or not? Any doubts in this? So these are the compounds: HCl, acetic acid, methanol, water, ethanol. Okay, you can see the primary, secondary, and tertiary. Or ethanol to propanol and 2-methyl to propanol, that is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is less acid. So pK is larger, 18. I hope you can see it. Clear? So when you compare the cyclohexanol and phenol, Ibrahim, Jaslin, tell me who is more acidic. Is it the cyclohexanol or the phenol? And why? The reason is there in front of you. You can have the reason. Look at the reason in front of you.
So phenol will be
Yeah.
more acidic here because it
Yes.
has
So what is the reason?
it has lesser Ka.
Yeah, H plus. It has
Lesser Ka
what's the,
value, yeah.
no, that is the outcome of, but what is the actual internal reason? That is true. But why it is lesser pK value? What's there in the structure? That you need to tell me. Just you can check it.
Double bonds. So more sp2 carbon.
Exactly. Resonance statements. Right? This question we did today. Where it is more acidic. It is the metanitrophenol or the paranitrophenol. And why? Justine, can you see this? So what's the reason? Look, some extra delocalization is happening. Got it? Ibrahim, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Where it is happening? It is on the paranitro. Got it? So this, I hope, is clear to you. This we will cover up in the next class, okay? Because we have not covered in NCERT class also, CBSE class. So once we cover it with in the CBSE class, we will have it here also. We have covered this topic. Okay, so this I hope is clear to you. Okay, this is esterification or acetylation reaction. Okay, and this also we have covered reactions with metals, liberation of hydrogen gas, Ethers do not give any hydrogen gas because they do not have water. Got it? Is it clear? So this I hope is clear, and this is the acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohols. Okay. This is the mechanism which we discussed. Let's do some problems. Okay. So this is the problem related to acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohols. You have such questions in your examination, and it will not be necessary that every time you will have a structure given to provided to you. Got it? Ibrahim, Jaslin, Jovita, can you see it? So tell me what is the answer. Just quickly figure out the answer. I hope you have understood the question. Jaslin, Ibrahim, Jovita. And what is the reaction? Reaction is dehydration. Got it? So what is going to be the final answer? Ibrahim, are you there? Jaslin, Jovita. So what is the final answer? First try to, instead of going to the final answer, first try to write this structure. I hope that basic dehydration part is clear to you. I'm assuming that because that I have already told you, right? So this is what is dehydration, and you are going to end up with anything. Yeah, Justin. So let's check it whether are we getting the right answer or not. Okay. So dimethyl butane to all. Yeah, this is the structure. So you will remove the OH, right? So option A, dimethyl. Yeah, exactly. Then you will do the rearrangement because this is secondary and it will go to tertiary. That's what I told you. This methyl will get shifted. You have a carbocation changing from secondary to tertiary. I told you in the previous class also, right? That always keep an eye on this concept. So, and then you have a final alkene 2,3 dimethyl. Yeah, but2. Yeah, that's correct option. Ibrahim, any doubts on this? Yogita?
No, sir.
So this is how we are going to do this. Let's do some more problem because oxidation part is yet to be discussed. Okay, so we are not going to discuss that. Okay, in period of ether. Let's do some more questions on acid catalyzed dehydration because that is a very important topic. So let's start with the simplest problem to recap the concept. Once we have the basic idea clarity of the basic idea, then we can move on to the next part. Yeah, Jovita, Jasleen, Ibrahim, what is the rate of dehydration of this? This is quite easy and you should answer this. Okay, then the next, and this is just the revision of that concept of dehydration. Then you can start solving the next part. Yeah, Ibrahim. Mm, yes, this thing. Tertiary is going to be maximum because that is going to form the cation most easily, followed by the secondary alcohol and followed by the primary. Yeah, correct. Absolutely correct. So the same thing you can apply here also in the next part. Ibrahim, Yovita, that first part is clear. The rates. The rate is going to be maximum for tertiary alcohol, followed by secondary, and then primary. You can apply the same concept in X, Y, Z, and Z. Yes. So X is the tertiary alcohol. Look where the OH is connected. Okay. This is the primary alcohol, and this is the secondary alcohol. It is connected to two carbon atoms. So the answer is going to be X, then Z, which is secondary, and Y is primary. Got it? This is also very, very important question. Ibrahim, can you see the question?
Yes.
So you need to tell me how the rate of dehydration is decreasing for this salad, which is the
So
slowest,
S will be the highest.
which will be the
S
highest.
RQP. S.
S, then R, then
R. P. And then QQ.
Q. Everything is correct except one thing. Okay. S is not the highest. It is the lowest. In fact, S will not undergo dehydration. What's the problem with it? Jasleen, what's the problem? Why S is not the maximum? Why it is not having the highest rate of reaction? What's the problem? Any idea about it? Yogita, any idea why this is not the maximum? Look, and Ibrahim, why you took this? All are secondary. Got it?
Yes.
Then why you have taken R to be more reactive than Q? Ibrahim, are you getting
So
my
greater
question?
amount.
Greater
amount of double bonds, yeah. So lesser
So
stability, I think.
yes, so what will happen with that double bonds? Yes, that is the reason, correct. But what exactly is happening with the double bonds? That you need to tell me. Greater amount of double bonds are there, and these double bonds are actually stabilizing the carbon atom. Got it? But
Yes.
so the more you double bonds you have, faster will be the rate of the reaction. That is clear. Okay, that is very important, right point. But phenol will not get dehydrated. Why? What's the reason? Reason is the resonance. The phenol, the lone pair is already in the resonance. And now you can't remove that OH. Okay, you can remove the OH from the second and third molecule. So everything was okay. The more the double bonds stable will be the cation. Okay. And once you have the stable cation, okay, you will have more faster dehydration happening. That all everything was okay, but not with S. The reason is that S is actually S has become phenol. The double bond has come directly on the carbon atom having the OH, and now OH will not is not going to come out so easily. Got it? Is it clear? Any doubts on this? So let me move to the another problem of alcohol from the from this part only, from your NEET examinations only. Let's do some problems. Just a second. So propene can be prepared. From propane 1-ol, a very easy question. What is the right answer?
Option D.
Option D
Mm,
or option A, B, or all of the above? Yeah, tell me. Propane can be prepared. So we are removing water. Okay. What we need to take, just now I told you two assets in today's class, either H2SO4 or H3PO. Got it? Don't go for these. Is it clear or not? Any doubts on this? Option B is the right answer. Next question is, how can you convert propane 2-ol to propane 1-ol? Yeah, you can tell me the reagents. Ibrahim, are you there?
Yes.
So just tell me what all reagent do we need to take. What should be the answer? Very easy. And this is not only from today's class, but from today's and the previous class topic. This means option C, yes. Correct. Why? It is because first you have removed the OH and again you need to put, but as you can see, this is not the way in which it was already there. Okay. You need to take hydroboration oxidation. Got it? So correct. Let's move to the next question, that is from PYQ of NEET only, which we are doing. Many good questions are there. This is a question from NEET, and so there are two products which you got, right? And the second option is saying that you took product A and you reacted it with HBr without peroxide. You ended up with C and D. The C is the main product for the second reaction, and D is the minor product. So what is the structure for A and C? Got it? A and C respectively will be option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, so the options are visible to you, I hope, everybody. Just so I have given you 4 options, and in each option I have drawn 2 structures. Which is the correct representation? Which option is giving us the correct representation for the structure of A and C respectively? I hope everybody is able to see the option. So very good question, and every time the students ask this question, in spite of knowing, got it? They ask me every time as a doubt on that, or they make a mistake also in doing this. But The surprising part is that all know it. But what happens is that because of this mixing, that two questions are being merged and you need to think of the main product of this, and that's why students get confused, and due to this pressure and confusion they give the wrong answer. But everybody know this question. Very simple question, but very good question, right? Take it as two questions. Okay. So first try to solve the first part. Ibrahim, are you there? So from the first part, remove the alcohol and which alkene are we going to choose? Is it the alkene given in first and fourth option or second or third option? Well, that only this by looking at the first reaction, you can make out whether you are going to choose the first or the fourth option. First and fourth have same alkene, and the second and third have same alkene. So that will let you decide whether you are going to go for first and fourth or second and third. Is this clear? Yes, Jasleen. So tell me, are you going to go for first and fourth option or second or third option? When I am asking you to get the alkene, main alkene, you need to tell me the structure of A and C. Got it? So we are going to get the Sedgwick alkene. Okay. We have discussed also in that. Okay, no problem. So more branch alkene is going to form. Do you agree with it or not? That we have seen in the previous chapter also of alkyl lights, right? So you are going to go for second and third option. Is it clear or not? For the structure of A, I am telling more branch alkene. This is less branched. Okay, so one thing is sorted out, that is the structure of A. That is matching in option 2 and option 3. Ibrahim, are you there? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you need to check once you have the structure of A, what is the structure of C? C you are getting when you are adding HBr to it, right?
Yeah.
So what is the structure of C? Jasleen, Ibrahim, tell me.
There is a third one. It will be the third one.
It will be the third one. Marconi competition,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Correct. So this is a very good question from NEET PYQ only. And it's bit actually because of the pressure, because you have so many options. Student make mistake in it. Clear? Let's move to another problem. This is also from NEET only, PYQ. Very much related to what we have studied today. So which of the following is not the product of dehydration? Jasleen, Ibrahim, can you see the question? So let me know what the answer is. Very much related to what we studied today. Any idea? Just check it. Just check all the options of dehydration. And let me know the answer. Yeah, Ibrahim. Justine. Any idea?
Then B. Should be B, I think.
B. Yes. Why? Why you are saying so?
That's because if we dehydrate OH, so we'll remove the H2O. So like the carbon which is attached to the ring, it won't have like any less bonds, yeah. So that's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
it won't
It
be
will. It
reacted.
will. A double bond will not get transferred to this side. Okay, within the ring, it will have either okay this side, either on this side or this side. Okay, or this side. Three possibilities are there. Okay, so you will not have this possibility as your answer. Very good question. Very simple also. Okay. Justine, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, you will not have that double bond getting into the ring. Okay, very important. So let's move to another question. This question was from PYQ NEET. Okay. So we need to compare the acidic strength. P, Q, and R. So what is the decreasing order of acidic strength? So acidic strength is going to be, you have, if you have more NO2 groups, the more will be the acidic strength, right? Yes. So this picric acid is the most acidic one. It has the followed by these two. These two will be out of these two. This is less, got it, and this is more, right? So D option will be the answer. The reagents X and Y can be. So what should be the answer for X and Y? Because part of it we have seen in the previous chapter and part of it we have seen in this chapter only. Yeah, Jasleen, Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what is X? You know that?
The alcoholic OH, I think.
Yeah, it is alcoholic fuel. So either the option is option B or C. Yes. B or D, not C. Alcoholic OH will cause elimination and aqueous KOH will cause substitution. And then out of B and D, which option should we choose? How we are getting water added? So Jasleen, just check your connection. Just rejoin it if it is not clear to you. I hope you can see it now, Jasleen. If the problem continues, you can rejoin the class. That will refresh your screen. Yeah, Ibrahim. So alcoholic KOH is followed by
So I think dilute H2.
alcoholic KOH followed by dilute H2SO4. Yes, right. So this is the Markovnikov addition of water. Okay, because you have H outside and OH inside, right? Is that clear, Ibrahim? Jasleen, is it visible now? I hope I have clarified doubts of both of you. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. This is also very simple one. You need to tell me the structure of D. Yeah, Ibrahim, what is the structure of D? Jesslyn, I hope now you are able to see the question. So first is red phosphorus in Br2, that is from the previous chapter. Because it is not that you are just going to have the questions from the chapter which you are studying. Okay. That we should know. And alcohol ethers, actually you get them along with the alkyl halides. Right? So what is going to happen? Red phosphorus in Br2, that is PBr3, okay? So A is this one. And then you have sodium and dry ether, that is Woods. So Woods reaction, you have this two molecules joining with each other. So the correct structure of B is this one. Got it? So we will be doing the other important part of alcohol reactions in our CBSE class, and accordingly we will follow